What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Budget Speeders. So today's episode, this is the day before Roadkill 2023 for the Duct Tape Drags, and as you can see here, my Camaro's all ready to go. I'm waiting on Fonz to get over here because what we're going to do, these cars are very dirty. I have not washed mine in about maybe a year-ish, so this one's going to get a fresh and car wash. We're going to get some more fuel, and I don't know if you guys saw, but I got a trailer for this car. And it's a little utility trailer I got for like $100 for this little trailer. Everything else I had to build on top. But I decided on building this trailer just because I was getting sick and tired of just taking everything out of the car and just leaving it out in the open. I learned from last year too, because I brought this trailer with me last year and it started raining on us bad. Like, it was just pouring. And so what we did, we built the trailer. So yeah, right now I just gotta load up everything. So give me a minute, I'm gonna show you everything, how it looks like inside. All right, so far, got some bins. This is all the miscellaneous stuff, like, you know, like riv nuts, plastic, hard fasteners, stuff like that. All the unnecessary ones, but we always keep just in case because other racers have issues too. This one is the, what I call specialty box, you know, timing gun, distributor clamp, wrench and stuff. Of course, we got our tent. That one is the canopy one, so I'm gonna be sleeping in that. Fon's gonna be sleeping in his car. This one is just gonna be full of impact guns, stuff like that. Then of course, gas cans. The gas cans are gonna be holding 91 octane. And the reason why I have pink is because who's gonna steal pink? Don't you dare try. Then of course my wrenches, and of course the big wrenches on my manual. So as you can see, it looks comfortable, but remember, this is from 1985, so these are very hard. And I tried sleeping in this once and so uncomfortable. So uncomfortable. So I'm gonna be basically getting all this ready for tomorrow. And Fonz will be here momentarily. He ran into a little problem over at the house, but we are going to be putting the racing slicks in the back of the trailer so he doesn't have to carry it around in his car. So I'm going to be towing. He's thinking about in the future getting a tow hitch, the same thing like mine. And to be honest, it's not that bad. It gets out of the way of the muffler. As you can see right there, there's the trailer and there's the nice little, what do you want to call it? And yeah, so got the wire harness all hooked up to the electrical system. And do keep in mind, if you are going to be adding a trailer hitch to a vehicle like this, where the turn signal is separate from the brake light, you will have to get a special adapter for it. You can't just get a 4-pin, hook it up, and then go for it. You have to get a converter, which doesn't sound bad. It's like 35 bucks at O'Reilly's. It connects right into the harness, and you just wire it up to the wires that are appropriate for it, and then you get yourself nice lights for it. So yeah, and I think I hear Fonz.
Yeah. What's up, gang?
Yeah, that's how we know then you brought our famous work.
The infamous trailer trash.
Yes.
Without the trash.
Yep. And you brought the slicks.
Technically they're DOTs, but
do you really want to risk on the road wearing them down before we get to the track?
I looked at them and I'm like, yeah, no way I'm driving on the highway with them.
Yeah, there's gonna be no way, but
those two lines are the only thing keeping those street legal.
Yep. But luckily they're here and a nice still full of air. So we're gonna have to put a trailer in your car eventually.
Eventually. Or at least a little rack.
Oh yeah.
But
for now,
it's actually amazing. I could probably fit drag runners along with these two wheels too.
Yeah. You're gonna have to get off Bassett wheels, dude, because these Bassett look good.
Yeah, some skinny front runner Bassets.
Yeah. Well, the sunlight is burning, so I think this will be a nighttime video. What do you say, buddy?
Definitely. But before that,
the big flex.
The big flex. How many third gens still have one of these that works? Damn.
Oh.
Nothing like $100 won't fix.
Oh, I know. So let's load everything in the trailer, dude. Here, let me show you. Let me show you the improvements. Watch the lights. After
Oh my god, they work.
Not only that, dude. Remember last year?
Boom. Excellent. Now we won't have to stop at some sketchy location parking lot and have some dude walk sketchily to us.
So let me tell you the story behind that, because we know it, we didn't videotape it. So on our way back, we stopped where on Houghton?
No, it was like east side somewhere, like at some store or whatever.
And so we stopped on the road, and what happened is I hit the brakes and I noticed my taillights were working, but the trailer lights stopped. And so none of the lights were working. We had to figure that out. And eventually we had to stop and fix the wiring harness. I had to open the trailer, fix the wiring immediately just to get it back home. And it was the funniest thing because I felt like I was on Hot Rod Drag Week.
Yeah, definitely had some moments there.
Oh yeah. So this time now, as you can see, the trailer worked. We got it back home. We're done. We're good. So now we got everything. We just got to load everything. So
yep.
So let's do this. Fonz, do you mind doing me a favor? Hit the camera so we can get everything into the trailer. All right. Well, we didn't put anything away, but we did bring the Camaros to the local car wash. So, you ready to start washing, buddy?
Yeah.
All right.
I'd say so.
Let's start washing. Quick to a montage of quickly cleaning. Go. And there we go. Both Camaros have been cleaned after about a year and a half, 2 years, 5 years.
Mine's been 2 years.
Mine's been 3.
I mean, they're beaters, so
Yeah, it doesn't look that bad. Looks really nice.
honestly, that black hood came out pretty decent. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, same. There we go. All right, all we gotta do is now dry them.
Yeah.
That's about it.
Oh, mine's gonna be fun as hell.
Oh yeah.
Satin hood and all.
Oh, definitely big time. And then my Camaro is gonna be just like drying. That's about it. They're not gonna stay shiny forever, but they're perfect for us.
Mine wasn't even that shiny to begin with. I have clear coat falling off everywhere.
Yeah, but that hood came out amazing.
I know. It's probably the shiniest thing on there right now.
I know.
With no clear coat.
And without the water. All right, let's hurry up and dry these up. Do you know how surreal it is for me to, be driving my own car back in the road? Oh yeah, best thing about driving my car? Custom digital gauges. Just because I wanted it. And it feels weird because I haven't driven my Camaro at night for a long time. But yeah, look at this. Nighttime driving feels good. Met her back in the middle of the night again.
Seems like all we do stuff is at night.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, the Camaros are clean. There's only one thing, is that gas tank we filled up. One of our gas tanks is now leaking. So I gotta put that in a different gas can. But overall, car's running fine. Got here at 180 degrees. Oh, excuse me, that's a blooper. Got back here at 180 degrees. Yours is running perfectly a-okay. So right now we gotta load up some of the stuff in the trailer. Let's see if I can get that light to click back on. So now we gotta put all this junk inside of the trailer. I gotta get a light for this. Okay, so we may have had a little fuck up, didn't we?
Yeah.
Roll. Not to self Find some light. Note to self, make sure you hook up the trailer first to your car.
Don't look at me, I got a trunk.
Yeah, I forgot to hook the trailer up, and whee, it just went whee, and everything spilled. Luckily, nothing got hurt.
Don't look at me, I got a trunk. It's a lift back. It fits a bunch of stuff in it.
But come on, trailer. Oh yeah, we still got to work on it. Hold on. Fuck it. I'm just gonna try it, dude. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Watch. What? Oh, dude, this. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so as you can tell, I'm a lot brighter now. I got a light, and it fits right on the GoPro perfectly. And it works perfectly to help Fonz find a tool in this junk pile of a backpack. Here, hold this.
Do you not have any?
Here.
There
No.
you go. Perfect.
Okay.
Holy shit.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, the light doesn't look that bright on the camera, but it's very bright. Right now I have it at 90% brightness. I should turn that down. Yeah, and the reason why Fonz is doing this is because I was a good friend and found this at a junkyard, and I just put a Hoonigan sticker on it. Used it on my car for a little bit, but I was like, yeah, I'll go with the V6 and take. So I'm doing this. Having a little trouble?
Do.
More shenanigans late at night.
I feel like we're always doing this stuff late at night.
Oh yeah. Alright. Okay. Hopefully that's the right size for these rib nuts. Nope, we gotta go to the next size up. Oh, perfect.
The legendary 355 that was supposed to go in my car.
A long time ago.
Specifically, when the video came up saying the 305 was going fast, the joke was going to be the 355 went in there and it would keep posing as a 305.
Yeah, and then a freaking virus came around and destroyed everything we ever planned.
Now, a lot of you are thinking, bruh, just clean your car. Have you seen the rest of my car? Does it look like clean is my top priority right now?
Cool. All we gotta do now is just grab all the screws in, find the right Allen head to put all these together.
Damn, now I have to have an Allen head.
Mm-hmm.
This has turned into a major inconvenience.
It was an inconvenience. Now you're missing a bolt right here. Look at that.
Nah, that's been missing for a while, I think. Luckily, I know where I could get one easy.
Oh yeah, just
that spare parts cup that I got for the bumper.
Now it's time for your fun shenanigans. Because there was one thing we never tried, was to fit the meats on your car. We did it with mine.
You know, we never got these balanced.
Oh, who needs balance?
Who needs equilibrium? Right?
Exactly.
Am I right? Okay, jack stand right there. Pole should be over there somewhere.
Yep, I see it.
I think it's behind one of the seats.
Oh, here's your long dick, sir. It's still amazing me how light the slicks are. Yee.
On the internet's cringing at you right now. They're going like, bruh, they're DOTs, they're not real slicks.
Alright.
Probably get a rag to clean them off.
Nah, not yet.
No, like at the track.
Oh, you mean like the NHRA, how they walk around just wiping the tires?
Yeah, they're gonna get pissed at.
You remember that happened in year 2 when we went to drag?
Yeah, I launched and I left everything debris-wise.
Yeah, and they got mad because these tires were gripping for some reason.
I managed to dead hook. I was surprised.
Yeah, so. Okay, let's get to work. I don't want to stand here any late longer. Come on, show the world how much muscle you got. Hernia. You trying to go NASCAR on the wheels right now? Yeah, show people how long it takes for one. Come on, show me NASCAR. You missed one. There you go.
All right, dirt boy. Show us what you got.
Took on faster than you.
Okay, the moment of truth. Will they fit without rubbing? Or am I screwed?
Oh, dude, you got like 4 inches back there.
Yeah, but I'm pretty sure my rear is also slightly off like yours.
Oh, let's see. Let's put them all on.
If you guys are curious what wheel size this is, it's a 15x8.
The fat ass test.
All right, the fat ass test. Oh, that is so fucking close. That is so fucking close.
Let me try it. Let me try.
That is so close.
You eat Taco Bell, right?
Yeah, but I shot it all already.
And fucking jump on it. Oh, dude, you're fine. You're gold. Dude, you are gold.
That's how it feels.
Okay, right now it is 8:28 at night. We want to see how this thing launches, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna launch it, but not high RPM. I want to see if Fonz can feel it. Hold on. Okay, try a small RPM launch. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God. Dude, you are so gonna hook at the track.
I am hoping I'm not gonna break anything.
Almost there. Last but not least, because the toolbox doesn't shut properly, I'm everyone's favorite friend. Right, the straps.
Why do they look like suspenders you would have?
Old shit, old thumb.
As long as it tugs like a banjo string, I think you should be fine.
A little sharp, but we're good.
That's going to be really sketch at first.
And then you're gonna get used to it.
I'll get used to it. I add more power, change suspension, do it again, probably break the differential, upgrade to a 9-inch Ford like I properly should have years ago. And all the GM people are going, ew, no, get a 12 volt. Fuck you, I want a 9-inch.
All right, I think we are ready to go for tomorrow, buddy.
Yep.
This is gonna be a busy day tomorrow.
Definitely is, especially since we're gonna be arriving there later than everyone else.
Yeah, it's gonna be like at 3:30 or something. No, it's gonna be 4 when we get there.
3, 4 at latest. I'd say proper way to do it is we get there immediately, get our passes through, we drive together through the pits in case they try to do the thing where they guide us in and park us again. Which I hope they do actually, because last year they had a bunch of people in RVs that were just taking up all the space.
Yeah, there was no room for the guys.
Honestly, they could have just parked on the gravel, but they didn't want to.
Yeah, they didn't want to hurt their, really fancy homes.
And left a bunch of guys on race tires literally sitting on the gravel, and that was kind of messed up, not gonna lie. But yeah.
Alright, so I think that's gonna be it for today.
Honestly, I think so too.
Yeah, I think we're all ready for tomorrow, huh?
Yeah.
You got your Dairy Queen. We got the trailer, as you can see, full of stickers. If you guys have stickers, if you ever see my trailer, don't be afraid to put appropriate stickers on it.
Watching the Hago sticker.
All right. Well, Fonz, do the honors.